All right, this is the last part for 12.4, and I just wanted to talk about if you have a 3 by 3 system of equations, you can solve that with your matrix equations, but it involves finding the inverse of a 3 by 3, which is very doable. It's just a long process, so I'm not going to ask you to do that. What I what you can do is you can solve using your graphing calculator using the augmented matrix that we've used before. So the augmented matrix is very similar to the matrix equation in that it uses the coefficients and the constants. So instead of having two separate matrices for that, you have the coefficients augmented with the constants, and then you would put that in your calculator. So if you have a Casio graphing calculator, I believe that you would put it under simultaneous equations, and then you would tell it that you have 3 equations, and then you would put this into the matrix that it gives you, and then just hit solve. For a Texas Instrument calculator, you would go to the matrix section, and under edit, you can put in your numbers, and then under math, I believe it is. So still in the matrix section, math, you're going to go to ref. And so you'll click on that. And then the next thing you will tell it is the name of the matrix. So wherever you put your data, they all have letter names. Wherever you put your data, you'll put that in, and then it will give you an identity matrix. Oops. Augmented with some numbers. These numbers are your solutions, A, B, C. So that's how you would put this in a graphing calculator. If you don't know how to do any of that, or I didn't talk about the type of calculator you have, you can always Google that. There are a lot of explanations of how to use calculators. So with the 3 by 3, you can go ahead and get the solution using the graphing calculator, using an augmented matrix, but still know how to set it up, be able to set it up as a matrix equation like we talked about a couple of videos ago. Hopefully that helps, and I will see you in the next video.